Not completely done yet, but here's where we are. We have new furniture coming. A new sofa with lazy boy recliners and a new regular chair recliner. That's a new chair. That's a new ottoman and console. There's our new flooring. New rug. Really liking it. Flooring came out great. Guy did a really good job on the hatches so that they're flush and you won't trip over any edges. I still have a lot of decorations to put up that are stashed away, but we pretty much got it going on. There's my light that I designed, Dave put up. Got a new Roman shade cordless for over the sink. New faucet, countertops, dishwasher, cabinet doors, hardware, backsplash. Haven't grouted it yet, but we'll get to it. New sink. That's our pantry. And then the little bar area. I just turned on the ambiance lights that shine up from the light fixture. And nice little buffet working bar area over here. And then of course we have our beer light in the corner. Still got to put the faucet in the bar sink. But really liking how it turned out. Nice big open space. Stay tuned for our final video when it's all completed in the upcoming weeks.